Hey there my dudes, I am Laddie and welcome to another video. So in this video, I've been thinking about doing this for quite some time and I'm kind of excited to start, kind of nervous to see if I've wasted my money. Look, I love my facial hair, I love how it's gone. I'm okay. However, it's just so patchy up and around here, but it is taking too long and I've decided to take matters into my own hands and test out a face sort of activation of facial hair kit that's apparently meant to really help grow facial hair higher on your face and thicker and everything like that. I'm going to test to see if it works for trans men because I've seen plenty of videos of it working for cis men. The biology shouldn't be that much different, but I just didn't see any trans men trying this particular type of face product or hair growing product, so let's get into it. Am I okay? Did I inhale dust? What is going on? Okay, so here I have some products from a place called Copenhagen Grooming. It's the box Copenhagen Grooming Company. I got this online because I hate to admit it, but I must have searched up facial hair growth or something, and the ad system decided to every single day for about a year just basically give me loads of adverts to face grooming and beard growing tips and tricks and products, and I finally gave in, and this one looked really cool and I want to see if it actually works. I'll tell you first what I've got. So I have the Copenhagen Grooming Kit. It comes with a beard roller, micro needle roller, an activator and a cleanser. There's a micro needle roller and it rolls onto your skin, makes new little holes in your skin for facial hair to grow, and then you rub the activator on, and the activator gives you the right amount of vitamins and different things that scientifically promote beard growth. Obviously, it is a lot about your genetics and how much testosterone you have in you and this and that, so it does all depend on that, but I take 250 milligrams of Sustanon every 3 to 4 weeks. Soon I'll be moving on to Nebido every 3 months. I'm intrigued to see what my levels are. Seeing as it's the middle of the month, I probably have mid-range testosterone, average levels of testosterone. Usually at the beginning of the month it's above average, at the end of the month it's below average. So I'll see if it actually works with my crazy waving testosterone levels. I guess we'll find out if it actually works for me in a few months' time when I finally post this video. I also bought 2 more lots of the Activator beard serum because if this does work, I want to be able to use it for a few more months, and this is the main thing that you need to get replacements for. As the beard roller, you can get replacements, but really it will probably be fine for quite a while to use. This all cost me around just below £105 or something, so that's quite a lot. The kit itself was £69. Nice. Hopefully it works. It is quite steep on the price. I think you can get some cheaper versions. I'll try and find them online, and if I do, I will link them down below. So let's get into trying this. Okay, so it's going to be a bit echoey in here, but this is what we have in the kit. So we have right here, we've got the roller. God, it's got micro needles in. I'm scared. Look at that, it's got like these that is scary. And that's what I've got to roll on my face. And it's got micro needles. Should I touch it? At touch, it doesn't immediately go on, but I'm guessing it will when you press in and roll. Okay. Comes with a beard grooming brush. Bit optimistic, let's be honest. So this here is the cleanser. I'm assuming this cleanser you use to cleanse the roller, beard roller needles. You don't have to buy the cleanser all the way from Copenhagen. Like, I'm sure you could get a cleanser somewhere from like Boots or something. I'm gonna have to have a look at exactly how to do this, but I will also put the tutorial up on screen so you guys know how to do this. So first what you need to do, you need to get the cleanser, spray it on, do like 2 sprays. You need to wash it with some warm water, just kind of lukewarm, not boiling or anything like that, and leave that to dry. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I have washed my face with warm water, and I've also washed my hands and put a soap on them to keep them sanitary and stuff, because when you're using this, you don't want to get anything like into your skin, get any like skin infections or anything, because that could be gross. But apparently what you do is you use this roller 2 to 3 times a week, so no, 2 times a week for best results. So, you know, you can do midweek and end of the week or whatever. But then every morning you use the activator after washing your skin or something like that. Apparently your skin gets really red after you use this, so I'd recommend you do it maybe, depending when you shower, you could do it after a shower, in the morning if you don't have anything to do that day, or you could use it in the evening before you go to bed so that your face redness can sort of like calm down before you have to go out for a day. So it's up to you, but obviously we'll see the redness. I already have redness in my face anyway, so it's not like it's going to change it that much. First, start off with up and down motions. In the areas that are really patchy, start off with up and down motions, and then you go across your face. But I guess I should just give this a try. Oh, that's fucking weird, that. It's not pain. Like, I've dealt with pain. It is pain, but like small pain, you know? And I don't know how long to do this for. I guess until I've got like gone up and down on my entire face. Upper lip. Oof, that one. That feels weird. I feel scared if I like put it in the wrong place, I'm gonna have like hair growing out my lips. Cause like I went on, like, you know, I went on my lips a tiny bit and I'm scared. But they're so small that when they go in, like, you can't really feel it like painfully. They don't go that deep. It's just you can kind of feel that burning sensation. So I'm gonna go back and forth now. I'm not going too much underneath, but I'm doing it a little bit just for sake of it being even. Okay, I think I've done this for ages already. I don't know really what else to do with this, but I'm gonna, yet again, spray the brush with a cleanser. Now it's finished. And then, oops, I just sprayed the camera. It's really hard to tell if you've done all of your face and how long to do it for. Now I am going to get the activator beard serum. So I'd recommend getting more than just one of these if you're going to ship them all the way from like Copenhagen and stuff. I'm surprised, I thought it was going to sting. It doesn't actually sting, it really soothes it when you add that in there. So this activator serum, it's not something you wash off. It's just something that you keep on, so you can always do it in the morning and keep that on to just sort of soak into the skin. I generally don't know how much activator I should use. I don't know if I'm using too much, too little. I have no clue. I'll have to properly look all of that up. It was just a tester out today. I won't see any change for quite a while. I'll just go into the other room and tell you about some of the different bits and bobs of information that are quite important for the beginning of this, and I'll probably see you again in quite a while the next time I have an update. Okay, so I just quickly want to add in here to say I'm not sponsored, we know that, there was no question about that. And also, one of the things I found really good about this situation and why it was kind of a win-win is they provide a money-back guarantee if you don't see any changes. So if you take photo updates of your face each month and provide that as evidence with them at the end, if there's no change and like 150 days or something, they will give you your money back. So I guess we'll see what's going to happen in the 150 days and if I'm gonna see any changes. It's 1 month since I started this facial hair journey to see what I can do with it. I've been doing it pretty rigorously. I did miss a few beard roller days and I had to postpone things and move things around. The facial hair that I've noticed the difference is it might be quite hard to see, but I've started getting facial hair up around here. And I've still got the side bends here, and what I really want it to do in the next month when I come back to you guys is I'd like this part to have joined up a bit more. It's been growing up here, you can see those hairs there. And But there's this bit which I still want it to grow on, and under here I'd like it to, it's rather thick around here, but then here it's still lighter. It might have, see, I wanted more facial hair just in the center here, so it's not just here, but I think it has thickened up a little bit. It's going to be hard to tell until I look at the photos. I'd say that's actually quite thickened up even around here. It's still mostly centered around like under my chin and everything, but it's actually, there's hairs. I did shave a tiny bit the other day up here, unfortunately. But there's hairs that are growing down between here and between here, like starting to join up this way. It's going to be interesting to see what happens in another month's time. I'm about 1.5 months into this whole like beard thing. With all the beard roller thing, yes, I've been growing facial hair, but also I get this really flaky dry skin down here because, and spots and everything, because the beard roller, it like kind of, I mean, it's poking loads of holes in the skin, and then the skin starts to like shed and get kind of itchy down here. So I've been trying to moisturize this area like quite a bit more because it does get a bit painful. And also I need to be careful, and you should be careful as well, because where the roller, I've been rolling up here, it's caught the bottom of my lip or the top here, and it's caused them to be really like painful and crackly there. Whenever I actually grow new stuff, you can't really see it that much, but I get these like white hairs, and when new hairs grow out, they seem to start, there's one here, but you probably can't, there's like a few here. They seem to start as these white little hairs, and then they actually grow to be the darker hairs. So like I was just saying, don't be startled if you start growing these white hairs out, because I've been growing a bunch of them. So this is the first time I've actually got a fresh fade since my facial hair properly started growing out. I'm just saying how happy I am with how it looks. I have another week until the end of my 2 months of trying this out. I'm excited to see after this point what it's going to do in the next week, and I'll see you guys in a week. Okay, so it's the end of the 2 months. Actually, well, technically 3 days until the end, but I was halfway through shaving my face. Like shaving, because I get like a neck beard. And I was like, actually it's a few days until I, you know, need to show my comparison and everything, so I better not shave any of the bits that matter, like these face bits. I usually use like a grade 3 shave, but now it's grown out. It's been quite a while since it's grown out underneath my chin and on my face, so my face is quite fluffy. And so I thought I would just jump in a few days earlier and end this video, because I mean, if I did it for 4 months, oh, this video would take way too long. Right, let's have a look at the difference between before and after, because I'm kind of excited because of like how much more like confidence I've had with it, with looking at my face and the facial hair that's been growing up and around. Even though I haven't really looked back at that many photos, I know that it has worked. But I guess we'll see how much it's worked in the different photos. So the first thing I've noticed is just up here. I don't know if you can see it that well, but there is stuff growing like up here. And it's actually quite long. If you look from the side there, you can actually see it's quite long at the moment. Before, I wasn't getting anything up here. It was all just under here, which I was happy with. I was happy that I had, you know, it under the jawline, but I wasn't getting anything up here. Whereas you can see now, there's actually quite a bit growing. Yes, I will admit it's patchy at the moment. It grows up here, not so much here and things like that. And same with on this side. There's a lot growing here, like around there. However, you can see here that there's like almost nothing in this small little curve patch. But with time, and if I keep, you know, using the roller on the patches that don't have much hair on, with time it'll start growing things out. Same with on the chin here. I see things gradually going up. Under here, there's quite a lot of hair growing in, and there's hair growing up here to join in with my sort of moustache. I've been trying to get it to grow in here. I'm not sure if it's grown much here, because it always just grows down the end. But I'm going to keep using the roller on this center part in the next few months and see if I can actually get that sorted. But I am so happy with how it's grown. My sideburns have always been, you know, been like that really. This side's especially grown out, however. like quite a lot. But either way, I'm super happy with everything that's going on at the moment with my facial hair. Let's have a look at some photos. I'm kind of excited. You can just see from quickly looking at the face here that yes, the sort of, I mean, the moustache doesn't change too much, but that sort of upper lip facial hair has gotten a bit thicker and it's started to grow down, and that there's more facial hair and under here is much thicker and grown up quite a bit further, and you can see sort of like the long hairs on the side here, which hopefully will like neaten up soon enough. I can see the difference, and it's only been legit 2 months. I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in another 2 months and just compare again, you know. I'm not going to video it too much, but I will literally just make a 10-minute video in about 2 months showing a comparison from the beginning to this 2 months to the next 2 months, and see if any of these patchy areas have started neatening up. Anyway, I need to shave my face because it's actually getting too long in certain areas. I didn't think I'd ever say that, like on my cheeks and everything here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been a journey. Might be quite a long video, but I hope you guys like the long videos anyway, because I've tried to shorten my videos and I still ramble. So this is my channel. I forgot to say before I end this video, I was sort of seeing if it would work for a very unique subset of men, and I'd say it works. It might not work for everyone. I will probably be buying more of their products so I can keep using it and keep up this facial hair growth. Copenhagen Grooming, laddie approved. And also if they want to send me any free shit, that would be great. I know they won't, but you know, I'm just gonna put that in there anyway. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more updates on this and some fitness and whatnot updates. Just so many updates. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. I love the new hairy me. See ya.